How to use coupons on Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use coupons on your Temu app. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your app store and update your Temu app if you have not. And if you don't have the app, you can install it from here too. Now this is available on your Google Play Store too. Tap on update and update the app. After you do that, open it up. Now here, after you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you'll need to do is simply go to your cart or simply browse through here and tap on the things that you want to buy. And after you select a few things, you can simply add it to your cart or simply buy now too. Here, type in your first name, last name, and everything here. And after you do so, after you get to the payment section, simply go there and then just you will see the option to type in the promo code. Simply type the code there and you'll basically be able to apply the promo code and the coupons on that very purchase. And that is basically it. That is how you use coupons on Temu. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.